Alright, next section now. We're on Unit 7, Section 2. This is our first handout. So we're looking at mean, median, mode, and range. Going to answer those questions. Looks like I'm going to do the odds. Well, maybe the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then you can do the others. The same way we're going to do the first ones, they're identical all the way through. So I'll let you do those. So starting with number 1, okay, the mean. As a member, I want to add up all these numbers and divide by how many I have. So right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. 7 numbers. So if I add them all up, 9 plus 10 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7. That gives me a total of 56. Okay, divided by 7, I get 8. So that is my mean, is the average of all the numbers. Again, I add them up, 56. Divide by how many numbers I have, which I have 7, and I get 8 for a number. Now the mode is the number that appears most often. That's easy to see, it's 9. And the range is my high number, 10, minus my lowest number, which is 3. And that is 7. Okay. Now the median means I have to arrange the data in order. So 10, 9, 9. Let's see, I have 4 9s. And then I have a 7 and then a 3. The median is the middle numbers. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 numbers. So it is going to be that 9 right there is my middle number. So I have 3 of them above it and 3 below it. Okay, number 2. I got to add these numbers up to get the median, divide by how many I have. Okay, so simply I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers. So there's 9 total. So add these up. 2 plus 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 8 plus 8 plus 5 plus 4 plus 9. That gives me a total of 54. Divide by 9 and I get 6 for a final answer. So the mean is 6. And let's order these numbers now down here. 9, 8, 8. Then I have a 7. Oh, I have a couple 9s there, so I better put another 9 in front. So it takes care of my 9s. Then 2 8s, that's done. Then I have a 7. Let's see, 5, 4, takes care of those, and a couple 2s. So the mode, oh, it looks like I have several modes here. 9, 8, and 2. The range, 9 minus 2, which is back to 7. Okay, and then the median is the middle number, and then there's 9 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 5th number. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So again, you should be able to count both ways and get that 5th number. Alright, this is an odd number of sets, so this one might be pretty easy to do. If I list them out, 9, 6, 5, 3, 2. There's my median, which is 5. The mode, I do not have a mode because they are all different. The range, 9 minus 2, which is 7. Gee, I got 7 all the way through there. In the mean, add up all the numbers. 9 plus 6 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2. And I get 25. Divide by how many I have, and I get 5 for my mean. Okay, question number 4. I'm looking for an even number this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There we go. Got some even numbers now. Let me do number 9 instead over here, to give you an idea what we have to do when we have an even number. Okay, if I arrange the numbers in order, 9, 8, let's see, then 6, then 3, and I have a couple 2s. Alrighty, so now I can do some of these really quick. The mode is 2, the number that occurs most often. The median now is the tie between 6 and 3. Okay, because I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3, so it's the third number from this direction. and the third number from this direction. So what I do is I add those together. 6 plus 3 gives me 9, and divide by 2. So that'll give me 4.5 as my median. The range, 9 minus 2 again, which is 7. It's always the high minus the low. And the mean, if I add these all up, and then I divide by how many I have. So I'm going to add them up and then divide by 6. So let's add these up real quick. 9 plus 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 2 plus 2. That gives me 30 divided by 6. And I get 5 for my mean. Alright? Let's try another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now it's odd. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There we go. Here's an even set. So number 7 I'll do, since it's an even set. So first thing I want to do is order the numbers starting with 10. Okay, that's done. Then 9. That'll be done. 7 is my next biggest number. 4, and then a couple 3s. So that means if I order them real fast, I can see the mode right away. 3, the range, 10 minus 3. 7 again. The median, if I count 6 numbers, divide that by 3, I get the third number from the top, which is 7, the third number from the bottom, which is 4. So those two are my medians. Since there's a tie, I go 7 plus 4, which is 11, and I divide it by 2. So that gives me 5.5 for my median. The mean, again, I want to add up all the numbers, and I'm going to divide by 6 because that's how many I have. So 10 plus 9 plus 7 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3. That gives me a total of 36. If I divide by 6, I get 6, and my mean is 6. So I'll let you do the rest of them on your own.